everyone, good afternoon and welcome to this webinar on cultivating a greener future, sustainable practices in the nutraceutical industry, brought to you by Vitafoods India and Future Market Insights. My name is Niamh Michail. I'm Head of Publishing at Vitafoods, and today we're going to be hearing presentations from our two speakers, followed by a question and answer session. So our first speaker will be Rahul Rajmane, Associate Director of Research and Development at Cipla Health Limited. Hello, Rahul. It's a pleasure to have you on the webinar today. Rahul is responsible for development and sourcing new products for Cipla Health with a focus on nutraceuticals, drug, Ayurvedic, and personal care products. He has a Master of Pharmacy in Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry, and he is also pursuing a diploma in Food Science and Technology. Our second speaker will be Nandini Roy Choudhury, Client Partner for Food and Beverages at Future Market Insights. Nandini has over 7 years of management consulting experience, and she advises industry leaders on their biggest opportunities and challenges, putting processes and operating models in place to support their business objectives. So Nandini, it's also a pleasure to have you here on the call. I'd like to say a few words before we start about the Vitafoods India brand. So Vitafoods has over 2 decades of experience operating in Europe, and it entered the Indian market last year in 2023 with huge success. So it remains India's only event that offers insights into the entire nutraceutical supply chain, and with over 5,000 attendees, over 100 exhibitors, and 12 educational sessions that are free to attend with 25 experts. It is the not to be missed event that happens in the nutraceutical and supplement industry. There are many reasons to join, to attend. So as I mentioned, we have the conference sessions. There is also a global trends zone where the latest innovative products are really highlighted and showcased. And the innovation zone highlights the latest breakthroughs and innovations in the industry. So Vitafoods India really is the gateway to the nutraceutical industry in India in terms of highlighting the best of Indian products and Indian ingredients, but also, how these ingredients can be used to cater to consumer trends in India and globally. So coming up very soon is Vitafoods India. It's taking place on the 13th, between the 13th and the 15th of February. So next month, it's happening at the Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai. And this is the event that is not to be missed. And for all attendees to this webinar, you can find a registration link in the chat box. So do be sure to sign up to this event. I'd like to say a few words now about our sustainability partner for this webinar, Future Market Insights. So FMI, Future Market Insights, is a business consulting and market research firm headquartered in Delaware, the USA. It's a member of the Greater New York Chamber of Commerce, and it collaborates with global enterprises in their business journey, helping them deliver on their ambitions by providing quality market research. So FMI counts 80% of the largest Forbes 1000 enterprises as its clients, and it has an impressive 75% renewal rate. It was also named Market Research Brand of the Year in 2015. So here we can see some examples of the specific research that FMI has done in the nutraceuticals sector. So we have reports and publications on nutraceutical excipients, gummies, ingredients, but also more specifically into probiotics, supplements for digestive health, supplements for protein. So really covering all the trends that can be seen in this space. And on the left, you can see a little bit about FMI's research process flow. So it goes from market profiling through to data collection, data validation, data analysis, and then finally the reporting. So FMI is also very active in webinars. So you can see here just 3 examples of some of its past webinars that it's taken part in, presenting on vegan finance, how to differentiate in the increasingly crowded plant-based industry, and the new normal in nutraceuticals, so unleashing nature's potential for optimal health. So I'm very pleased to have Nandini from FMI and Rahul with us today, our 2 expert speakers. Before we get started, I'd just like to go over some very quick housekeeping rules. So as you will all have noticed,